Hello everyone and welcome to another Linux tutorial. Today we will talk about how to install software in Debian Linux like Ubuntu or in RPM Linux distros like Red Hat and CentOS. It will not be a long lesson. So, to install software in Debian Linux like Ubuntu, like Linux Mint, you just type apt get install and then the package that you want here. Don't forget that you should be a super user to do it. So type the keyword sudo before you start. If you press the Y, so like that, it will accept all the extra packages of this one program that you want to download that need to be downloaded and installed as well. How can you remove a package? To remove a package, you just type apt get and then the remove keyword and the package here. But that removes the package but leaves the configuration files. So for example, if it is a game and you want to keep your configuration, you want just to delete it because you don't have enough space, and then at some point later on you want to reinstall it, then you just remove it. So the configuration file will be there, and the next time that you will reinstall the game, the configuration will be there. But if you type apt-get purge and then the package name, this removes the package without leaving any configuration files. It removes it completely. A way to search for a package or for a string is write down the apt case search and then the package, for example cherry, and then it searches about packages that have or a part of its name is the string cherry. And if I want more information about the package that I saw here, I just write down apt case so, and for example let's choose here the cherry tree, and then as you can see I get here all the information I need for this particular package. Some other things to install are inside big packages. And they have an extension .deb. For example, if you want to install, let's open up our Mozilla browser. If you want to go to Dropbox, here, and you want to download something, download it. Then, as you can see, for Ubuntu, we have a .deb file. I think I have already downloaded here. Let's see, yeah. So, if you download it, you will have a package like that. In order to install this package, you open up the terminal. Let us see first if we do have this program in our system. You just type which and then Dropbox, and as you can see I don't have something here. So the way to install it would be you write the dpkg and then the -i to install, and then the package, for example Dropbox, and as you can see I just used the tab for the auto completion. Then we take an error because we need to be super users to do it. So you just add the keyword sudo and then you let it install it, and now it's installed. How can we see if it's installed, we just type Dropbox and first the keyword which, and as you can see you take the location where it is installed and if it's installed at all. Let's remove it. And as you already know, you need to be a sudo user to do it. So I did write the pads thing, so it will be removed, the program itself and the configuration files. And now that it's been removed, let's see if it's really not there anymore. And it's gone. Some last things, at some point I will make some videos for the Red Hat administration certificate, but until then, another distribution that is commonly used from big companies is the Red Hat distribution, and the free version of it is the CentOS, and both of them are RPM distributions. There, to install a package, you just type yum install package. To remove it, yum remove. To purge it, yum purge. For info, yum info package. To search for a package like we did, yum search, and then the string, the package that you want. And if you want to install the point RPM files, it is like the point dep files. Then you just type down these commands. This is to install it. This is to list all installed packages of your system. This is to list the files of a package that you have downloaded before you install it. This lists the package files, and this is how you can remove the package from your system. So this was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them on the comment section below or send me a message. Thank you all for watching.